Namaste friends. Today we are going to see how to steam the corn in the instant pot. Take 1 cup of water in the instant pot liner and place the corns on the stand. Now close the lid and put the whistle on the sealing mode. Now set the temperature on high or more and hit the manual button and set for 2 minutes time. Now quick release. Take out all the pressure and open the lid. Now you can grease these hot corns with butter and sprinkle some chaat masala on that, or drizzle it with lemon juice for tangy taste, or sprinkle some chili or paprika powder for spiciness. And enjoy. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.